Hello, for the use of software, we will use the core function and the core.test function in solving the Spearman-Rank correlation coefficient. For problem number 1, using the core function, it will only output us the value of rho, which is 0.6727273, which is equivalent to what we got from doing it manually. So using core.test function, it will give us a more detailed table. Here we have data, English and math. English is the x variable, math is the y variable. We also have here s equals 54. S is the summation of d sub I squared, which is 54. And it will give us an exact p-value that is 0.03938. So remember in problem number 1, for the p-value, we got the interval 0.02 to 0.05. So 0.03938 is indeed inside that interval. So the alternative hypothesis here, we have true rho is not equal to 0. So the default alternative hypothesis for core.test function is two-sided test. So some notes here, make sure that the S in Spearman is small or in lowercase. And we also have some notes here that we can interchange the x and y variable since we are only concerned about the summation of d sub I squared. And if you wanted to have an alternative hypothesis that true rho is greater than 0, we could write alternative equal to greater. And if you wanted to have alternative hypothesis true rho is less than 0, we will write alternative equals to less.